What's up guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to link your SiriusXM to Google Home. First, you just want to open up Google Home app on your phone. SiriusXM says this setup cannot be done from a computer or laptop. Then just make sure your Google Home or Nest device is already set up on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. Then tap the plus sign in on the upper left corner of the Google Home app. Go to Add Services, then choose Radio, and then SiriusXM. Tap OK on the Link Your SiriusXM account screen. If your SiriusXM and Google accounts use the same email, tap Yes and Share, and then Agree and Link. If they use different emails though, just click I have one with another Gmail. Then sign in with your SiriusXM username and password. Once you are linked, just try a voice command like Hey Google, play SiriusXM, hits 1. SiriusXM supports playback on Google Assistant enabled devices. If this video helped you guys, make sure to subscribe, but for now, goodbye.